Finding the Wix promotion codes is a pretty simple thing to do, and I will be showing you an exact way how you guys can do it. So even if you want to like search for the latest promotion codes, even if the video is outdated and you still came up to this video and want to know the latest promotion codes, so I will tell you the exact method that you need to follow in order to get the best promotion codes. So go to the Google Chrome, and in the Google Chrome all you have to do is to search for the Wix promotion codes, and you will be redirected to this website. So here you guys can see that we have an official website right here, and then we can go and trust one of the website name as Coupon Follow. I trust this website personally, and this is the website that gives very authentic and legitimate promotion code, along with the Retail Me or Not promotion code website. So here you guys can see that Wix is giving a 10% discount on the 2025 Wix promotion codes. Take advantage of our exclusive Wix promotion code and get 10% off on an yearly premium plan purchase, including a free domain for a year. So this is a very good plan and very good promotion code to go with. And on the other hand, you guys can see that a coupon follow website is also giving up an 10% promotion code, which is was also available on their own website, and you can easily get the promotion code by just clicking on the show coupon button, and that way you will be able to see the promotion code right over here. So you just need to copy it and you can redeem it at wix.com. So the other website was Retail Me Not, and here you guys can see that there are a lot of promotion codes right here. So for 18% off, you can simply go ahead and click on the show code button, and that will you will be able to see the latest promotion code, which is freedom, for the 18% off on any boards by the Wix. So you simply have to use this promotion code to get the best discount. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.